picture I could see if I just close my eyes. Have the foresight to believe time don't move backwards, it speeds to the future fearlessly. Charging forward when I open my mouth, though I may not know how. I know I was born to sing. Travel the world, raise baby girls, marry my best friend. I'm manifesting, but not concerned. 'Cause whatever happens, I'm good. I'm good. Actually, more than good. Kinda great.
Guys, welcome back. I'm so happy you are here, and if you are a new subscriber, you are welcomed. Today's video is a clean and organized kitchen cabinet video. We are going to sort and organize the cooking pots, the pans, and the lids using the IKEA Uppdatera organizing rack. So I hope you will enjoy this video, so stay tuned, and if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Let's get started.
Even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave.
So first I'm going to declutter the under the countertop cabinets, because this is where I'm planning to organize the pots, because we have our induction just above it, so it will be, I think, easy to get the pots, the lids when you're cooking. Yeah, so let's clean and organize this place.
Kinda great. Even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave. Living free. Wanna die when I'm 123. Really wish that all my heroes would notice me, so I could be one of the greats on a big stage, inspiring people to pray and give thanks. 'Cause somehow we made it. We're always protected while building our legacy. Travel the world, raise baby girls, marry my best friend. I'm manifesting, but not concerned. 'Cause whatever happens, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. Actually, more than good. Kinda great. But even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave. Brave, 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 brave. Oh, brave.
Just finished cleaning and disinfecting the cabinet, and now we are going to unpack the Uppdatera rack and fix it, and then yeah, organize the pots.
More than good, kinda great. But even on the bad days, I thank God for making me.
So guys, I thought I was done fixing the Uppdatera IKEA rack, and let me tell you, it was a mess, because I thought it was easy and didn't read the instruction, and now I have to restart because I missed some parts. I missed this like joining cables, like you join the joint so that the rack does not come out, something like that. So I had to restart again. So don't underestimate anything you buy from IKEA, that it's an easy fix. Yeah.
Lately, my thoughts got me distant. Darker days filling up darker minds. Stuck in this room that keeps spinning, wondering how you been, where you hide. Late night drinking, wishful thinking. What if you were here? Morning waking, heart still aching. Something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night. I don't wanna put up a fight. I don't wanna trouble you, babe, but I gotta say, I don't wanna waste no more time trying to shake the feelings inside. Finally got made up my mind. Can't go one more day without you. No, no, no. Lately there's something that's missing. Empty bed doesn't feel empty hearts. Typical me reminiscing. A memory doesn't heal open scars. Late night drinking, wishful thinking. What if you were here? Morning and waking, heart still aching. Something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night. I don't wanna put up a fight. I don't wanna trouble you, babe, but I got to say, I don't wanna waste no more time trying to shake the feelings inside. Finally got made up my mind. Can't go one more day without you. Can't go one more day without you. No, no, can't go one more day. No, I can't. One more day without you. Can't go one more day. I can't go one more day without you. No, I can't go one more day. Nothing ever felt as good or as easy as when we were young. Oh, though I felt misunderstood, it was a pleasure running away with you. We were just children acting like adults, crazy, naive, bold and carefree. We were kids having kids, crazy, naive. It amazes me that we didn't fall apart harder than we did. Now they keep us on speaking terms.
I'm just adjusting the stands to my liking, to how I like to separate the things I want to organize into the kitchen cabinets. You can do it anyhow you like it, but this is how I wanted them to look like. So let's see the end result after this.
Now they keep us on speaking terms. with your aesthetics. No, your aesthetics is not going to help your baby. We grow and we learn. I have no regrets, only forgets. Oh, a big thank you to life for giving us sand. Oh, when the timing's right, there's no wasteland. Oh, we were just children, acting like adults, crazy, naive, bold and carefree. We were kids having kids, crazy, naive. It amazes me that we didn't fall apart harder than.
So that's it, guys. This is the end results. I love it. I love the outcome. My kitchen cabinet is well organized and easy to use. Yeah, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up if you haven't, and leave a comment. Yeah.
We did.